Hello, my dear passionate learner. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English Delight. My name is Anju Divedi. As you have seen my thumbnail, and it is related that avoid using very, and in place of very, we can use very interesting and powerful sound words. So today's video about all wonderful, powerful words instead of using very. So before getting into in video, I would like to say a beautiful quotes. Quote is push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. So always be motivated. So let's get into this video, guys. So using very, it could be repetitive and boring. If we use the word very too much, it makes your writing and speaking seem to be boring and repetitive. If I have to say like it is very simple and very special, it sound boring. So in this video, we will learn some words. Instead of saying very, we will use some powerful and interesting word. So let's get into this video. So first word is very nice. We often use very nice in a different aspect. Suppose that we saw a beautiful girl, so that time also we say very nice. So instead of say very nice, we can use astonished, gorgeous, stunning, elegance, graceful. Moreover, if we have to say about any place review, so after seeing the place, greenery or hill falls, we often say very nice. But if we are going to give our commentment about a place, so we can, instead of using very nice, we can say delightful, enjoyable, pleasant. And if we see any beautiful painting and any creativity, that time also we say very nice. Instead of saying very nice, we can use what a creativity, incredible, extraordinary. And if we talk about any person, about his nature, so that time also we say he's very nice person. So we can use he's very humble, generous, kind. And whenever we see any dress, that time also we say this dress is very nice. So instead of saying very nice, we can say stylish, pretty, attractive. So guys, actually I gave this much example of very nice because I was confused that about person, about any creativity, about nature, about beauty, we always say very nice. So that's why I have given this much example. So next move to next word. Very accurate, exact, very afraid, fearful, frightened, terrified, petrified, very aggressive. We can use quarrelsome, pugnacious. She is very pugnacious lady. Very amazed, astonished, very angry, furious, very aware, conscious, very bad, awful, terrified, very beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, very big. We use massive, huge, enormous, very boring, dull, very bright, luminous, very busy, swamped, laden with, very calm, serene, very capable, efficient, effortless, very caring, compassionate, very careful, cautious, very cheap, stingy, very civil, polite, very clean, spotless, very clear, obvious, very clever, intelligent, very cold, freezing, very concerned, worried, very colorful, vibrant, very confused, perplexed, very consistent, constant, very smart, intelligent, brilliant, very conventional, conservative, very corrupt, degraded, very creative, innovative, very creamy, velvety, very crowded, bustling, very curious, snoopy, very cute, adorable, very dangerous, hazardous, very dark, lightless, shadowy, dim, very dear, cherished, beloved, very decent, noble, very deep, profound, very deformed, mishapen, very delicate, subtle, very desperate, frantic, anguished, very difficult, complicated, very dirty, filthy, deceitful, very disagreeable, obnoxious, awful, very clever, bright, sharp, smart, very distinct, definite, clear cut, very dramatic, theatrical, melodramatical, very dry, arid, sheer, waterless, very doubtful, suspicious, unsure, very dull, tedious, tiresome, disheartened, very eager, very easy, effortless, very efficient, resourceful, very embarrassed, ashamed, very empty, desolate, very enthusiastic, passionate, very evil, wicked, very excited, thrilled, very expensive, costly, very fair, equitable, very loyal, faithful, devoted, very famous, famed, very fancy, lavish, trendy, very far, remote, very fast, quick, very fat, obese, very glad, overjoyed, very friendly, affectionate, very funny, hilarious, amuse, very great, considerable, significant, very good, excellent, awesome, very happy, over the moon, glad, very nice, delightful, very hot, scorching, boiling, very hungry, starving, famished, very hurt, battered, very huge, enormous, very large, huge, gigantic. So guys, this all about this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and try to replace very with this excellent word. So let's meet on my next video, and if you like, then please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.